Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick little tutorial on how I make quinoa. So check this out, it's gonna be real simple. So first steps first, you just rinse this stuff over cold water. This is a lot of quinoa. This is actually 2 cups, so it's gonna come out to 4 cups cooked. Just like any other grain, it usually just doubles in size. So I'm just gonna rinse it out, and then it's gonna go on the pan to sort of toast it up while I prepare the spices. Okay, so off we go, carefully. And then just put that on, I don't know, let's say medium. Yeah, low medium. I'm gonna start preparing some spices. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything into this little plate. So we have onion garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, turmeric, of course the king, oops, focus. Turmeric and black pepper, the pairing, and then some bay leaves, and then I have some bouillon I'm gonna toss in here. So this is not the best bouillon, but it will have to do. So here's that little spice blend, looking pretty, and then I'm just gonna toss that in there. And let's stir it up. Just try to, you know, get it on all the grains as much as possible. And then we're gonna add the water pretty soon, and then just cook it up for 15, maybe 18 minutes. We'll see how I feel. Okay, so I mixed a teaspoon of bouillon into a cup. This is 2 cups of grain, so I probably could have done 2 of these, but I'm not really a salty person, so just put that in. There's the 4 cups total, so it's always 2 cups water per cup of grain. And then you're just gonna bring this to a boil, and then finally top it off. So this is the boil we're looking for, so top it off. Make sure it's sealed, because there's a vent one on this lid. Sealed. Look at the heat. Put it down to simmer as low as possible. And now, what I like to do, just so I never forget, go on the phone, put that puppy to 18 minutes, and then just don't worry about it. Just walk away and just listen for your alarm. You'll be good. Yeah. It's easily my favorite grain. It might be the Peruvian bias in me, but I love this thing. Yeah, it's still a little moist, but it's fine. It'll dry up, and then this should last me a few days. Well, if my sister and mom eat some of this too, probably last just 2 days, but that's fine. Easy cooking, and that's how you do it. Keep it easy, man. And that is my beans. Here's my quarantine lunch, just the black beans I made from yesterday, the quinoa I have in another video, and then just some raw broccoli, because pretty boring and I don't want to steam it, so there you go.
Man, y'all just don't know about this life I'm living right now, man. I'm just fucking loving life, bro. You just gotta love that life, bro. Mwah, love that shit, love that shit, love that shit.